Hello, my name is Maria Mogasseri and I'll be teaching your class this semester. So I have created this short video so that you can actually see where I click and how do I go and navigate through the course. So let's go ahead and get started. Once you go on Parkland's website, you want to go to Cobra, and once you're on Cobra, you'll find your course, which is going to be saying CIS 112-201H. Okay, so go ahead and click on your course and that will take you to the first page where the announcement is. The most important thing for you to know is that this course starts on the 8th of September and a lot of the stuff are going to be done online. This course is a hybrid class and it meets 4 times throughout the semester. These are the published 4 times that we're going to meet, and each time we're going to meet 3 hours. But to start with, you're going to start following instructions that I'm going to give you and start the course on the 8th of September. And then we will meet for the first time on the 17th to see if you have any questions, and I'll cover some more stuff. And that way you're given a little bit of a time to work on your own. And then on the 17th, we'll meet to resolve issues and to answer questions and to also cover some material in person on campus. So when you get your course, please, on the 8th of September, I'll also send you an email. Go ahead and read first the announcement. And on the announcement, we talk about how you're going to go on to the content. So you go to the content, and on the content, on the left-hand side, you see that there's syllabus quiz, and there's start here. So the first thing I want you guys to do is go to start here. And on the start here, I explain a lot of stuff right here. So this video that I have is going to be linked to it. And it talks about what are some of the stuff that you're going to do, that I also have a video on it. So go ahead, and the hardest part in this course in the beginning is going to be to find what textbook bundle is the right one for you. So we have textbook bundles that we offer at Parkland Bookstore. And to be able to choose the bundle that you need, you have to first try to answer these questions. So where is the information about the textbook bundle? It's going to be on your syllabus. And you do want to buy your textbook from Bookstore. The main place that you'll be working on your assignment is called Cirrus. And I will take you through Cirrus navigation on a different video, and I'll post that over here on how to actually create your account on Cirrus and how to navigate through Cirrus. So once you read the stuff, go ahead and read the stuff under the start here carefully. And then after you're done with that, you want to go to your syllabus and then click on the syllabus and read your syllabus in here. And you see that one of the most important things about email is that you need to send, when you're sending an email, make sure that on the subject field you do put down CIS 112-201H, because I teach 5 classes and I do want to know which class the email is coming from. Right on the beginning of the syllabus, I have put down the exact times and the dates that we're going to be meeting and which room number. So a note about email. And if you have any questions on Wednesdays 8 to 10, you can actually, those are the times that I'm online and I'm looking at stuff and I'm trying to, so those are kind of my online office hours. But for you guys, you also can meet with me in my office right after the class. So the class time is 9 to 11:50, and my office hour is going to be noon to 12:50. And I will make sure that your syllabus has that information. Now, the objectives of the course are all over here. And the learning tools is your syllabus, the Cirrus, and you also have to write an academic paper. We will talk about the career paper later on, and I will cover that when you're in class. There's going to be a join code for this course when you're registering for Cirrus. Then my second video will go over it. Let's cover just the textbook on this video. To decide which one of these 5 bundles you need to buy, first you have to ask yourself a question. And that question is, am I taking just this class, or am I going to be taking any of these other classes? If the answer is that the only class that you're going to be taking that's going to be dealing with CIRRUS is CIS 112, and you don't plan on taking any of these other classes, because these other classes also have CIRRUS as their learning management system, meaning the assignments are on CIRRUS. So we have worked out a deal with the publisher that if in case after you take CIS 112, you also plan on taking one of these other classes that use CIRRUS, then in that case, you can choose one of these bundles that will give you option of accessing your course material for 2 courses. And instead of paying for 2 textbooks and 2 activation codes, then you only pay slightly more for 1, but it covers 2 courses. So let's say you are going to only take CIS 112 and you're okay to have an ebook and you really don't need any hard copy book. So in that case, this first option is the one that you want to go with. So when you go to bookstore, you ask for this book. If you're taking only 112 and you also want a hard copy book, even though we have an ebook, but you're one of those people who likes to have a hard copy book in his hand. So then you want to take the second option. If you're taking 2 courses that are using CIRRUS, and one of them is CIS 112 and the other one is one of these others, then you can go with option 3, which gives you the activation code for 2 courses. And then if you need a hard copy book, you can directly get that from the publisher for $19.95 by going to Parkland's website, plus shipping and handling. If you're taking this course, CIS 112, and plan on taking one of these other classes sometimes throughout the year, over a whole, 1 year, then you want to go with the 4th option. And again, that gives you activation code for 4 Parkland courses and over a year period that they're all using CIRRUS, and it has an ebook. For a hard copy book, you have to get the $19.95 plus $5 shipping from Parkland's website. And then if you are going to, that you're going to take 6 courses, meaning 112 and these classes, and that means over 2 years of stay at Parkland, then this last option is the best option, which gives you the ebook for all of those courses, plus the activation code for which allows you access to all your assignments for the 6 courses that you want to take. So that is the most important thing, that the very first thing that you have to decide which book bundle you want to get, because your book bundle is going to have an activation code that you need to get to your assignments. I'm going to finish this video in here, and then I will create a second video that's going to cover the CIRRUS. Before I finish the video though, after you're done reading your syllabus, there's a syllabus quiz. Go ahead and take that syllabus quiz by going to the syllabus quiz, download the file on your computer, answer these questions, save it, and then go ahead and upload it to a Dropbox that is directly below the syllabus quiz, which is called completed syllabus quiz. That's a Dropbox. To upload, you want to go to the Dropbox, you want to say add attachments, and you want to go to your computer and find, say upload, and find the file that you have completed and answered the questions, and click on it and go ahead and add it. Pretty much that's what this whole video covers, and I will post another video. Thank you so much.